Hi guys, I did my first DIY Halloween project this year. I know it's a little early, but I've got a lot to do this year, so I'm not messing around. That's Sherlock, he's napping. Step one, run to the Dollar Tree. These are 100. These are $1.29 a piece. So I got 10 for 13, I think 49. Next step, peel off those bottom labels. Then add a tea light to each one, like this. I got flickering ones that work with a remote. Grab your fishing line and a scissor, and then you cut them to all of the different lengths. I highly recommend staggering. I found that the hooks that you push in like these are the best. The tack hooks are working better. The screws are ripping out because these are a little heavy. This is what it looks like in the daytime when I staggered them, and I'll show you at night. The best thing about the tea lights I got is you can turn them on with a remote. Off, on, off. And this one has a timer. I'll link it in the comments.